Do you know Nano Banana Pro Google Gemini is incredibly professional for your interior design content as well. So if you are going to design, interior design content, so now in this video I will teach you that how you can transform your SketchUp floor plans into realistic 3D renders. So this is incredible thing that you can do in Google Gemini Nano Banana Pro. So for this, you can upload the file that you exported, and it is here. You can see the image is here. You can see this one, the image. This is SketchUp floor plan. So now we will transform this one into realistic 3D render. So you can select from here like tools, create images, Nano Banana Pro. And now here we will type the prompt. So for it, I will type create a photorealistic render based on this SketchUp view, and keep the original camera angle, composition, and materials unchanged. Introduce soft natural sunlight and PBR materials and global illumination. And the scene should appear as a modern living space captured in natural light. So this is the prompt you can use, and then press enter, and magically Nano Banana Pro Google Gemini will transform this SketchUp view into realistic 3D render. So this is an incredible thing, like now you can do without any software, without the knowledge of any complicated software. You can transform your SketchUp view into stunning and beautiful, 3D render. And here you can see this is done, and here you can see the comparison. Like you can see this was the floor plan, and here we can see now this one we have transformed it into a realistic 3D render. You can see it like both cars here, and the living room also. See, we open this new tab, so you can see living, and here you can see now, see everything, kitchen, living, you can see, and then deck here you can see, and this is bath, you can see half bath here, and then garage with cars you can see here. So the ground floor, how we have transformed it into a realistic 3D render. Incredible. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.